Assalamu alaikum. Let's do question 15.5. Draw the type B OC curve for the single sampling plan n equals 50 and c equals 1. This is the OC curve that is based on the binomial distribution. So it's based on the binomial, which we covered in class. So just to have a sketch here, for the OC curve, it's going to look something like this, where the x-axis is p, which is the percent of fraction defective, and the y-axis is basically the probability of acceptance. Now we are going, since we said it's based on the binomial, so we have the binomial probability of x equals x is equal to combination c out of n, and with probability p equal raised to the power x, 1 minus p raised to the power n minus x. Okay. Now, for the probability of acceptance, as we all know, probability of acceptance is when the number of defectives is less than or equal to the cut point. In this case, we have c equal to 1, so this is equal to probability of d is less than or equal to 1. So therefore, now basically we need to calculate probability that d is equal to 0 plus probability of d equals 1. Now, to be able to draw the curve, we need to calculate this for several values of p. Now, of course, this is a question in the book, so usually would solve it using Excel. However, for the exam, probably I'll just give you either like a single point or 2 points and ask you to calculate them for me. So if we start by, for example, let's say I want to, just as an example, let's use p equals 0.01. So let's try to find the probability of d equals 0 plus probability of d equals 1, where p is equal to 0.01. Okay, so now we just take the equation and substitute in it. So now we have 0, probability of d is c out of 50, and 0.01 raised to the power 0, and 0.99 raised to the power 50 minus 0, which is 50, plus the combination 1 out of 50, and we have 0.01 raised to the power 1, and 0.99 raised to the power 49, which is 50 minus 1. And I leave the calculations for you guys. And again, to calculate, to be able to draw the curve, you need to have several values for p. And just for the, just to reemphasize for the exam, I may ask you to do it for 1 or 2 values of p.